Welcome back to the ISNaD review tutorial series. Module 05 turns to the most time-consuming task in any systematic review, screening titles and abstracts one at a time. The difference here is that the queue is ordered by the model you just trained, and every decision you make retrains it. The final call always stays with the human reviewer. Let us continue in the same project, the one whose screening we started in the previous module. Open AI screening again. Because the seeds and criteria are stored, the top-ranked record is served straight away. The bar across the top sums up progress, its colors separating what is labeled, what is in, and what is out. The Prior Knowledge button returns you to the seed setup without erasing a single existing label. Reset, by contrast, wipes every label and starts over, while the letters R, I, M, N, and Z are the keyboard shortcuts. The Triage button deals in bulk with records that are plainly irrelevant. You pick a relevance threshold, and the closest calls list shows the highest scoring records that would still be dropped. Records dropped here are reported in Prisma as excluded by automation tools, kept separate from your manual decisions. The step is reversible and never feeds the model's training. For now, we close the window again. Once the review is done, the Bulk Triage panel is closed to return to one-by-one screening. Above the cards sits the keyword highlight control. Paste your Boolean string here, and the key terms light up inside the title and abstract, cutting your reading time. The Eligibility Criteria panel brings back the criteria you drafted in the previous module. Include if and exclude if stand side by side, so your decision is tested against rules rather than mood. The card in the middle shows a single record, with its rank number and the remaining queue at the top left. At the top right sits the model's confidence, then title, authors, year, journal, the DOI link, and the abstract. The AI recommendation panel is run with Get AI Recommendation. You now know the whole screening mechanism: a ranked queue, keyword highlights, a recommendation that never binds you, and an undo that is always at hand. In the next module, we read the progress page, above all the recall curve, and the indicators that tell you when screening may stop. See you there.